This is Dabu7, a heads up for folks out west and really for folks all in all. A water shortage is coming. It just seems rather obvious that when you have individuals out here that can control the weather and control all these things and are control freaks, that at some point this is in the cards. Just like massive hurricanes and other massive systems that we know that they control. This is no different. And when you can take an area and you can turn it into a barren wasteland with no water whatsoever, it will change everything greatly. Now, these lakes that are out here, like Mead, these are large man made lakes that were put here as reservoirs to collect water so that they could get water to the people in these larger cities, people in Arizona and in Nevada. Now they are projecting that this region is going to see an area of extreme lows. And I can guarantee you there's going to be many people that get caught off guard by this and that don't see this coming. No matter how many warnings we put out, even them stating that the West should prepare for the first ever water shortage declaration by the feds ever. And they're saying that the Hoover Dam is at risk. Now, this dam and this whole system not only provides water for people, but the power from the dam itself generating a ton of power for those people as well. So when this thing runs dry, not only does the water run dry, the power runs dry too. Not so sure people are wrapping their head around this fully, the extent of this. I'm going to break this down further, though, in the next live stream because we have to talk about these things. It's inevitable, it's coming, and it's going to affect large amounts of people. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern on D Live. That's where it's going down, uncensored. You'll find links below.